na pala ako kasi bukas aalis na kami. Nalagay ko na dito yung mga condiments at saka vitamins. And ilagay ko na rin yung mga hinugasan ni Sisi Reyes ng mga plato. Lagay ko na, yan yung bago. Yung ginamit na yung kanina. And ito yung pinagprituhan. Hugasan ko na rin. And nilagay ko na dito yung mga empty bottles. So, lilinisin ko ang ito. So, na-empty ko na rin yung cabinet dito. And dito. So, para bukas, yung mga gamit na lang namin. Kasi lilinisin ko pa to. Ayan. Lilinisin ko pa yan. Yan. Magkukuskus pa ako. Wala nang sabon. So, gagamitin ko is yung sabon ng yung sa, mayroon sila dito yung provided nilang soap para sa bathroom. Meron din naman namin yung ginamit. So, yun na lang gamitin ko. So, yeah. So, 11:10 na. Isasabi ko to bukas na vlog na lang. Kasi nag-close na tayo kanina. Nakuskus ko na pala to. And natanggal ko na yung mga dapat tanggalin dyan. Ilagay ko na sa eco bags. Yan, hugasan na natin. Yan. And yung mga tinapay or breads nandito na. Ipapa-feed yan sa ducks or sa ibon bukas. And nilagay ko na rin dito yung mga empty bottles. And inakyat ko na yung mga like yung Coke, tubig para bukas pag nagwalis or nag-sweep ng floor si Jan, wala nang obstacles. Ayan. Yun na lang. Ilalagay ko yan sa garbage bag kasi yan ay yung mga labahan namin. Yan. And eto yung mga dadali natin, yung mga dinala ko dito ng mga condiments at saka yung ibang food like yung snacks nandiyan na din, binili ko dyan kasi hindi naman naubos. Tapos eto extra to para sa mga dito ba yung mga nasa ref. So bukas ko na to gagawin. Yan, bukas ko na yung gagawin. Matulog na ako. See you tomorrow. Good morning. Packing time. Well, kagabi naka-start na ako. Si Jan, umalis, nagpa-car wash. Kasi ang daming tayo ng ibon yung ating car. Kasi nga, may puno dyan kung saan kami nagpa-park. So, nagpa-car wash lang si Jan. Si Kuya tsaka si Oli tulog pa. Eto. Ayan, nilagay niya na dyan yung mga laban. Sak, the hat. Okay. Ito, dalhin ko to dun sa kwarto kasi ilalagay ko yung toiletries dito. Ini-empty na nila yung fridge.
This is finished.
Alright.
Dad, this is finished.
Okay. That's my gift.
Have you got all your AirPods and all that?
Yeah, I'm doing it now. I'm doing it now. I'm doing it now. Ako, yan. Ilalagay ko dun sa luggage.
If I'm over it, why are you in my head? And now I'm drinking cause I've seen your face in the club, dancing and laughing with someone else. And I'm already high enough to overthink the things you said. Then you stare at me with your guard up, I feel like I'm in your head. Is it? Tell me, is it? I can't lie that I feel like I've missed your smile, I've missed you all this time. I can't live without you, but I forgot you're not mine. I can't lie, I've looked for you through all the highs, been missing you so much. I can't love without you, but I forgot you're not mine. In fact, you were never mine. If I'm over it, why are you in my head? If I'm over it, why are you in my head? Should I call him if I know how the things end? Kissing again, you and I, we can't be friends.
So, malapit ako matapos dyan. Nandito na yung kukuha ng SIM card ni Kat na yung nahulog niya kahapon.
let me do it again.
You got it? Saan? Kinuha niya? Siya nagkuha? Ayan. So, happy na. Balik na ako dito. Nakuha na yung SIM card ni Kat doon sa ilalim. Tapusin ko na yan. Malapit na to. Malapit na guys. Ito na lang naman. Alis na sila. Bye guys. Bye na. Bye ate. Bye. We're going. Bye now.
Bye, John.
Drive safe this weekend.
Bye ate.
Yeah.
Bye
So,
bye.
don't get all this. Pillows.
Yeah, I'm not done. I'm gonna check. This one I don't know.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, take care on the way home.
You don't want that?
Is it empty?
You could use that for present boys.
Alright.
Right, when you come now.
Yeah.
Hey, what's that white collar?
See ya. All good, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Meron tayong spoon. Kasi yung biko, kakainin ko on the way. Breakfast. May biko pa kasi. So, hiram tayo. So, uli ko na lang to next year. Parang ang glowy ng aking mukha. Alright? Can you bring this one? I'll bring my pillow. Thank you. Okay, let's go. See you next year. Next year ulit. Ha? Ay, malamig na. Ano? Saan na kaya yun? Okay. Oops. Ang dami na rin nag-i-impake. Good morning, boys.
Morning.
Morning, Holly. Morning, Zag.
Who?
Oh. Where? Ah, yeah. Doon sila Kat. Doon kasi yung cabin nila eh. Paalam lang tayo kila Lyra.
Where are they?
They should be there, yeah. Kasi hindi sila pumunta sa cabin, so nauna tayong nakapack, so punta na lang natin sila. Dito rin yung nila Mars, yung nila Mars. Yung cabin nila. Bye! Bye! Where's Lyre? Yeah.
Good job, boy.
Ha?
Bilis mo naman magpack.
Oo, kasi alam mo naman, malayo pa kasi kami.
Oo nga.
Kiss ulit tayo. Parang dito sila Mars.
Yun?
Oo.
See you, Sean.
See you, Tony. Yeah, kasi nang hinatid namin dito siya.
Oo, so paano na yan? Hindi na po kayo siguro na
Ay, nauna kayo. Kaya, nag-out sila. Kasi, ewan kung trinay nila, parang hindi na ata. Kaya,
siguro
so kayo
nung-
palit.
Siguro nung nabook.
Oo, hindi.
Sila yung
Una.
Kasi isa na lang talaga yung ito.
Oo.
So, ito siguro yung binook niya, tapos
Tapos nag-book kayo.
nag-book kami, hindi niya na mag-book.
Na-extend, oo.
Oo, hindi niya na
Pero
ma-extend.
talaga, kasi paghatid namin, kasi, parang ito yung glamour.
Yeah.
The boys miss Jonathan. They haven't seen Jonathan.
well. Is he
Hello.
Watching him online?
Yeah. Si Jonathan, hindi na nila nakikita. Bye. Bye, ate.
Hey guys. See you later.
See you.
Bye.
Drive safe.
Come see you after our holidays.
Yep.
Roger.
Yeah, alis sila. Mag-New Zealand sila. Babu.
Where?
Sayonara. Bye-bye, Holly. Sabi ni Elaya, bye-bye, Holly. Si John nag-check out lang and magpapabook din ata siya ulit. Para hindi natin ma-lose yung ating spot. Ayan na siya. Oh, good?
Some kid just broke their arm on the
What?
pillow,
What
Yeah.
pillow?
on the jumping pillow.
How do you know?
Because they're all trying to call the ambulance.
In there?
Yeah.
Just now?
Yeah.
Was that girl that was running?
Yep. That's
Oh.
Where? What girl?
Nabali raw na ano, kamay dun sa jumping
Yeah, oh.
pillow.
oh.
What girl?
Okay, see you next
Gee.
year. What date did you book?
Well, that's the same. You can't change it.
The same again.
What other ones can you go to?
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. My birthday
When's the
next
sports day?
Thursday.
Thursday, Friday.
Thursday, Friday.
So if we come, because if we keep going back again, that means we leave Sunday, so the day after Mum's birthday.
Yeah, my birthday next year is
Where are they? There
Saturday.
they are. Look.
Ah, yeah. Andoon yung bata, oh. Yung nabalian. Nakaano lang sa sa jumping pillow. Let me see if I can. Andyan, oh. Nakahiga lang siya.
Which one?
That one, the one that's lying down, Zach. So, nag-organize silang tumawag ng ambulance nung pag-check out ni John. Andun pa din.
How can you manage that?
Sky, do we look at the same star? Cause I might be so wrong and I'm feeling so high. I don't even know why I want to try. Maybe because I'll let it die if I roll the dice. Remember me if you feel like no one can see who you are. I really loved it. I'll be there everywhere you need. Remember me. You can remember me. I sit and wait for you till I cry. Oh, wonder if we can do it right. Cause I might do you wrong when I hold you that tight. Would you wanna drop my hand as I lie?
Dito na kami guys sa Kinaru. Kinaru na daw kami guys. Tingin lang ng pagkain sila. Wala. Walang bibili. On the way dito, kumain ako ng yung biko kaso matigas. Pero tsinagaan ko, konti lang naman. Matigas kasi galing siya sa ref, kailangan siyang i-microwave. So, bilan muna namin ng lunch, yung mga bata. Piraru tayo, OTR. Just start for you, Han? Start? Malayo-layo pa kami, guys. Chicken tenders. What?
The back of it.
That one, that's a veggies, Baba. You want that? Yeah. Just have this one. This is normal that you want. Yeah. Sandwich. No? Hi. Can I have a custard tart, please? Etong gusto ni John. What do you want?
One original
Chicken. 2. 1 chili tenders. Chili tenders daw sa kanya. Ito pa yung iba nilang kinuha. And si Kuya. Nag-sushi si Kuya. It's alright. Kinuha ni Sak yung kanya. Chili tenders sa kanya. Ito kay Holly. Holly.
Thank you.
Welcome. Kay John, tart. Thank you. No, you're good. Thank you. I got you the lasagna, Han, if you want. I don't know. Here. I got lasagna, Han, if you want.
Oh, can I try?
The lasagna. That's the tart. Hold on. Si Jan, hinatian niya ko ng lasagna. Ngayon kinakain niya na yung tart niya.
Is it hot?
Tart. What? What you drop?
Just drop this one.
Yes, kuya. Si kuya gusto magpa-save ng lasagna. Ganito yung itsura niya. I can make this, kuya. I make lasagna and
Do you want my mum?
put crumbs. No, I'm good.
You like it?
Is it the Jolly?
Make it.
I can make it for lunch. Make lasagna and then put crumbs.
I just like this.
Good. This is nagawa. I made this before, but that was mac and cheese with crumbs. Ito naman lasagna. So, pwede naman gawin. Pambaon-baon. Nawala ko yung lens, guys. Yung wide lens. Pagdating natin sa yung first day natin, hindi ko alam nakakabit siya kasi very, siya, sensitive. Kunti lang na mo siya magalaw, mahuhulog siya. So, hindi ko alam kung nawala ko sa Woolies kasi nag-grocery kami, di ba? Hindi ko mahanap. Wala siya dito sa kanyang lalagyan. Wala siya dito, oh. Kasi dito yung dinidikit. So, nakakabit siya. Pag wala siya dito, nakakabit siya that time. Kasi pag di siya nakakabit dyan, nilalagay siya dito. No.
Found them?
No, I didn't find it.
Will it still be in here?
Parang may mashed potato din siya. What time is it? Suot ko na yung relo na regalo ni Jam. Pero hindi pa siya nag-work. Kasi imamatch ko pa siya dun sa phone ko. Hindi ko pa siya minamatch. Sinuot ko lang para hindi magasgasan. Bumili ako ng cover. Bibili pa lang tayo ng cover. What time is it? Do you know? Ito pala.
11:20.
11:20. Parang may mashed potato siya, oh. Bab, I think this one has mashed potato. Yeah? May mashed potato siya, oh. I can make it for your lunch, hon. Fishing, you think? Huh?
I don't know, can you?
Yeah. Kasi lagi siyang sandwich lang, di ba?
Dad,
Para may iba naman.
Dad. I know why the wheel's hitting the frame on Jackie's bike.
Why?
It's probably when you bent the frame in.
Kuya, Dad? Give it that to Dad.
Got it?
No, TJ has that. Kuya,
Got the
kuya,
there's the sauce.
I put this whole thing in it.
Yeah. And bumili ako na Krispy Kreme. Dalawa to. Kuya, do you want this?
Yeah.
This one kasi,
I actually got a lolly. I got sour plums.
good, yeah.
What was the point of that part?
And meron ako dito, Milky
Okay.
Mango. You're welcome. Milky
I said
Mango.
yeah on there.
Oh, just on the floor. Meron pa tong chicken eh. Nag-order din akong chicken. Pero busog na ako. Mamaya kainin ko. Gusto kong kainin is yung donuts. Ito. Krispy Kreme. Original ako pag Krispy Kreme kasi mas masarap siya. Tamis nga lang. Kaya ko kayang walang sweets. Kasi nagpa-plano rin naman akong balik ako sa sa strict diet. Kasi nagawa ko naman siya before and may result talaga. So this time, tingnan ko kung magagawa ko ulit. Tamis. Mamaya nabusog na ako. Okay, back to road na tayo, guys. Seatbelt, Holly.
Yeah.
Ay, yung aking phone. Okay.
Roll the dice. Remember me. If you feel like no one can see who you are, I really loved it. I'll be there everywhere you need. Remember me. You can remember me. I sit and wait for you till I cry. Oh, wonder if we can do it right. 'Cause I might do you wrong when I hold you that tight. Would you wanna drop my hand as I lie? I'm not scared of your goodbye, but I roll that dice. Remember me. If you feel like no one can see who you are, I really loved it. I'll be there everywhere you need. Remember me. You can remember me. Maybe I'm afraid that one day you'll forget me without even thinking. If you'll miss me lying in your bed thinking that I was the one to love, to give me all of your love. 'Cause maybe that's all I need.
Bahay na kami. Well, nasa car pa ako. Binubuksan lang ni Kuya yung front door kasi dito tayo dadaan. And si Jan nasa phone. May tawag yung doktor kasi kung maalala nyo, nabanggit ko sa inyo, nakaschedule si Jan for operation this coming Friday. Ngayon, narinig ko, tinatanong siya about kung may questions si Jan about sa kanyang surgery. Pero na-fill up na ni Jan yun. But, yeah, nagme-make sure lang yung doctor. And, binigay yung time ng kanyang operation, 9 o'clock sa Friday. So, Thursday, alis kami dito. Isasama namin si Holly, yung boys, hindi sila sasama kasi may pasok sila. And, kila Race kami mag-stay. Doon tayo mag-stay kay Race. And then, si Dan ang maghahatid kay dyan sa hospital. So, 9 o'clock sa Friday. And also, long weekend. Long weekend pala this week. So, sa Monday, walang pasok si Holly. Pero yung boys, hindi sila sasama. Mag-stay sila kila Auntie Mel. Well, isi-sure pa namin kila Auntie Mel. Kasi, sinabihan ko na si Auntie Mel nung nandun tayo sa Renmark, kung pwede yung mga bata, sabi niya, oo daw. So, baka, hindi ko alam kung baka nag-change. Kasi minsan may busy rin si Auntie Mel. But, update ko kayo. So, bukas na yung pinto. Nung oras na 2:59. And si Holly, ida-drive ko kasi may dance lesson siya. 4:15 yung dance lesson niya. So, hindi ko mapuput away. Ida-drop off lang yung mga gamit dito sa bahay. And then, alis ako. Kasama si Holly. Kasi dancing niya. Kasi nung Thursday, hindi na siya nakapag-dance. Tapos, this coming Thursday, hindi na naman siya makaka-attend ng aerial. Kasi nga, nasa Adelaide tayo. So, sabi ko, kay Hit, medyo pagod kasi siya. Sabi niya, do I have to go, Mom? Sabi ko, it's up to you. I said, you didn't have Thursday last week. And then, this coming Thursday, you're not gonna have another lesson. Sabi ko, I think you have to go. Sabi ko, may 1 hour ka pa naman. Magpahinga siyang 1 hour. Nakatulog naman siya sa car. Yan, si Kuya. Yan na si Holly. Yay!
Holly.
She's ready.
Holly.
Nag-change na nga siya. Oh, ready na siya.
Baba. Yeah.
And ito yung nilaban natin. Yung uniform nila, ayan. Sa labas to sinampay nung umalis kami, pero pinasok siya dito. Sabi ni Kuya, may tumutunog dito. Sabi ko, baka toothbrush ko. Kasi yung toothbrush ko ay, yes, may toothbrush. My God. Mapa-flat na to. Bakit na accident na ano to na on? Ay! Eto, hindi natin to gagamitin dito sa bahay kasi pang travel natin to. Itong non-stick na pan. What's that?
car.
What about the car?
Someone didn't put the water.
Close properly?
Oh, you don't do those things again.
So, tulog muna siya. What happened, Han?
Someone, whoever opened these bottles, didn't screw it on properly. Lid come off.
Ah. Na ano yung naubos yung tubig.
Did you have like a big
Ito yung regalo ni Holly. Ayan, sira siya. Door, Holly. Sira. Ito ba yung stand ng frame?
It was probably because I put it in the drawer underneath my bed.
Oh, it's alright, Baba. I think we just have to push it.
The helmet's away.
Oh, your helmet, Holly. Hindi ko naayos, so sinandal ko na lang dyan. Thank you, Holly. Wala na tayong brew. Ang hangin sa labas. Kinuha ko yung stand nitong ating, camera.
Mom,
Yeah.
where's all your big ties?
I think it's in the pink or black pouch.
Pink.
Ganap siya ng ng pantali. Kasi gusto niya magtali.
Mom, have you seen the training top?
Your what?
The training top.
No?
You would have watched it.
Kuya. Ano na pala guys, training season na nila kuya ulit. This,
shorts away. Netball season.
well, put it outside and hang
They're
it.
probably dry.
Why? When is your training?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow already?
What?
Start na sila ng training.
Where's mine, Dad? Pretty sure it's wet here.
Well, put it outside. It's
I don't know if they're wet or not because I didn't.
put it
use
outside.
I didn't
Iput
use
away
it
ko lang muna
yesterday.
to.
Where's mine, Apple? Thursday.
So you're not gonna be here, Baba. We're leaving Thursday. So first training.
God, first
And then you have dancing as well, Holly. So I don't know if you're gonna have time to train for
You
your...
have to try or else you don't get to play a match.
Well, you have dance. Huh? Nag-conflict yung ni Holly, yung schedule niya. Inauna kasi yung
Can I
dance.
just do it Thursday dance and then the next Thursday I do netball? Thursday
No, I don't
dance?
think so. I don't think so you can do that.
You know what, too, Mum?
No. May dalaw daw siyang Putaway ko lang ito. Magluto ako ng kanin. Tapos ng holiday, back to back to reality. Hoy, isa! Empty na to. I'm just gonna cook spring rolls when I come back, okay? Spring rolls na lang kami. Kasi yun ang easy. And meron din akong embutido. Pwede din mag-embutido. Hindi namin yan naluto kasi kumakain kami sa labas, diba? So, bira lang kayo magluto sa
What's for
cabin.
lunch tomorrow?
Ha?
What's for lunch tomorrow?
What's that? Lunch? I don't know yet because I'm gonna go grocery. Yeah, mag-grocery din ako. Yung, eto, gamitin ko to. Grocery, ang baon nila. Pero madali lang ako. Yung, lang talaga nila yung kailangan lang nila. You still have popcorns there, Holly, and Oreo. But yeah, mayroon pa pala sila dyan.
Orange?
Oreo. I'm gonna get orange. Why, you want orange?
Yes.
Yung apples, hindi na sila masyado nag-a-apple.
I have orange as well.
Apple. How about apple? Eto, may imbutido ako. Dala ko ulit. Siguro mag-prito ako. Hindi ko nga lang sure. Kasi meron akong nilagay sa freezer na hindi ko pa na-steam. So, we'll see kung i-steam ko to.
Mom, I think I have another pink one.
Parang hindi ko pa to
slip brush.
na-steam.
I
So,
think I have
i-steam ko
another.
to. Mamaya. What's that,
I
Baba?
think I have another pink stick brush, but
Yeah. ating ulam mamaya, spring rolls.
I'm having some
Meron
wasabi.
dito mga gulay, pumpkins. Gusto ko sana mag-roast.
I'm having some wasabi coated green beans.
Ayan, meron siyang wasabi.
It's not even spicy.
Okay. Ito wala na to. Cheese. Ito, daling ko tong pine mango. Yung aking sit to glow mayo. This one is going. And meron tayong bacon. And meron pa akong pork. So, bukas, mag-isa ako ng beans na may pork. Yan po tayo. O kaya, sana may string beans doon sa Filipinos, sa Asian store. Meron pa pala dito mga gulay. So, ang bibili ko lang is mga baon-baon talaga ng bata. Ito, dalhin ko to para meron tayong mainom. I'm gonna use your kahan.
Is that my water, please?
Gasang ko to.
I'll take one of those every night.
What's that? For your heartburn?
Yeah.
Oh, kailangan ko. Kasi may heartburn si Jenny. Kailangan niya mag-take ng
Where's the
medicine.
bottle?
Give this to Tommy, ano? Kasi si Tommy, meron silang, di ba? Meron sila dyan, manukan. Yung
No, leave it there,
Just leave it there, baby. There, there.
What's cold water? It'll stay cold in there.
So, dila tayo ng ito, grocery bags. Eco bags. Okay, let's go. This one, ano? This. I'm cooking rice, Han. Okay? Alright, let's go, Holly. This one. Seatbelt.
Yep.
Gamit natin yung karne
Wasabi.
dyan.
Yep.
Oh, paano ko na nga pa ito ipataas? Taasan natin. Iurong ba? Tapos, taasan. Okay.
Wasabi's just beans are so good.
All good, Holly? Seatbelt?
Opo.
Okay. Yung dalawang boys na naglalaro. Nagtitiis agad yung dalawa. Sabi ko mag-ready na sila kasi may pasok sila
Are you hot,
bukas.
Mum?
Ha?
Are you hot?
I'm cold.
Then turn it off.
Where?
Say it says off.
Yan, naka-aircon. Malamig yung hangin dito sa amin. Pag to cold weather na naman kami dito.
I mean, it's not that cold.
The wind make it cold.
The wind is, but it's a beautiful day.
Ay, hala, dumi naman ng aking. Natuluan siguro ako ng ano. Ayan, meron akong puti dito. Natuluan to ng Biko. Meron akong brown spot dito sa ano. Sana huwag siya mag-stay. Pag-music tayo. Dito na tayo, guys. Ako baba. Takbo.
It's my little raggy.
Come on, because we just came from Walmart. Natid ko na si Holly. Mag-edit ako para may vlog tayo mamaya. Edit ako. Kasi ilang araw din tayo walang vlog. Kahapon nakapag-upload tayo. But before that, 2 days yata tayo walang vlogs. Buksan pala natin tong pine mango. Ayan, yung nabili natin sa Woolies. Nung first day natin sa Renmark. Di ko pa siya nainom. Si Kuya, ano yun? Lemon yata kay Kuya. Pero ba yung sa kanya? Masarap siya. Masarap siya. At saka ang lamig din kasi. 5:28 na. Punta ko na si Holly. Hindi pa tayo tapos mag-edit pero mayroon tayong na-edit dyan at least. Okay, we're going to Kohl's. But we're gonna go to Asian store first. Where you go?
So you know the camera when I can only take photos?
Yeah.
I ran out of the
Film.
film
So
sheets. So there's 20 sheets in here.
Is Daddy bought it for you?
Yep.
When?
When we were printing out the picture for your birthday.
Ah, okay. Yung Fuji, ano niya, bigay sa kanya ni Auntie Mel eh.
I
Hindi niya
have to put it into.
Hindi niya na yung nagagamit kasi wala nang film. Okay, punta mo kayo ng Asian store. Kasi magsasara yun ng 5:35 na. Parang sarado na yung Asian store. Yes, it is. Hindi na tayo umabot. Close na siya. Okay, close naman tayo. Okay, come on, Baba. Naiwan ko kayo sa car. Binalikan ko kayo.
Need more?
Yeah, that's enough.
I got 3 more.
Yes, we do need to. Malambot. This one. Yeah, this is crunchy than the green one. We'll get this red.
Any potatoes?
Yes. Charisma. That one, yeah.
This one?
Just one. Okay, sibuyas. Huh? 2. And then 2 of this.
Dalawa.
Dalawa. Like chicken. Yung chicken. Wala sila, no? Here pala. You have to get, I don't know, we're gonna ask. Can you get number, Baba? Yeah. Can I just have the gypsy ham, please? 200 grams, please. Wala na silang, smiley fries. So, 200 grams na gypsy ham lang. Wala tayong beans. Dito ko na lang igita yung pork natin. Kasi wala tayong yung string beans. String beans sana. No, I'm just gonna get this one. Oranges. I'm not sure if this is the one, the seedless one. Can you get a bag, please?
3.
Okay. Okay, find the blueberries. Yellow peach, eto. Okay.
Let's count in Italian. 1, 2, 3.
Ano?
I'm counting in Italian. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
4, 5.
Okay. Okay, get kiwi.
What else?
Wala nang strawberries. Wala eh.
There's some to get rotten to make banana.
Here, get this one here. Nanghinog na. Ang lalaki. Ang lalaki nila. Ito na lang. Pwede. We need, okay, itong gusto nila. Ito yung akin. Cornflakes. Naubos niya na eh. Need eggs. Where's the eggs? Wala. Wala na rin eggs.
Huh?
Wala na yung kinukuha natin. Ito na lang. Ayan, cupcakes. Get two, please.
As soon as we get them, we're snacks.
Para sa Biko. May Biko pa tayo dun eh. Okay, snacks. You still have popcorns and Oreo. Water, we need water. Let's see if they have the sweet potatoes. Ayun, meron. Yes, they do have. Masarap to. Masarap tong ano. Sweet potatoes, brand ng Coast. What's that, Baba? Yeah. I got two. Dalawa. Wala na tayong rice. Kuha tayo nitong rice. Yeah. Oops, sorry po. Kuha tayong spaghetti noodles. Are we good, Baba? Huh? We're good? Yeah. Bayad na tayo, guys. Let's go pay. Yeah, Baba. Cold first. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can I have it tonight?
Yep. Then fruits.
Do these count?
Yeah, na. Bananas.
Broccoli,
Yes, all of them. Please.
vegetables, and
Yeah. And your cupcake. Okay, I'm just gonna. So, yun na yung vlog, guys. Dito kami sa bahay. Kumain na sila. So, yeah. That's it for today. Thank you. Bukas, first day of foodie training ng mga boys. And bukas, maglalaba ako. Mag-catch up dito sa bahay. So, yun na, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. Good night. Good night, babe.
No.
Good night. Ready na yung fruits bukas. Nahiwa na natin na hugasan. Ayan yung grapes. And ito yung biko. Si Holly kakain daw ng biko. Ayan yung tira dun sa Renmark. Ayan. Yeah, okay. So yun, guys. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo. Good night!
Cause I think I